Dow Futures are on fire right now, up over 200 points in pre-market trading. So, what's behind this sudden surge? More importantly, what does it mean for your portfolio, your next move, and your money? Let's break it all down. No hype, no noise, just facts. Here's what sparked the rally. The big spark this morning? You guessed it, inflation numbers. The latest CPI report came in cooler than expected. That's giving Wall Street major optimism that the Fed might actually pivot toward rate cuts, possibly sooner than anyone thought. And let's not forget, we just got strong earnings from Microsoft and Apple. These tech titans are pulling the Dow up with them. When you combine softer inflation plus strong earnings, that's a green light for institutional investors to go risk on, and Dow Futures are their early move. What Dow Futures are telling you. Here's what a jump in Dow Futures actually tells you. Smart money expects the broader market, especially value and industrial stocks, to open higher. Think JPMorgan, Caterpillar, Chevron, Procter & Gamble. These are the names that move the Dow, and when they lead, it usually means investors are betting on a stronger economy and stable earnings growth. Dow Futures aren't just a prediction, they're a positioning signal. It's how big traders tell us what they're buying into before the market even opens. How this affects your next move. If you're sitting in cash or debating your next move, this kind of rally might feel tempting to jump into, but here's the smart play. Look at value ETFs like DIA or VTV, or sector-specific names in financials, energy, or industrials. These benefit directly from Dow strength and a rate cut narrative. Also, dividend investors listen up. Falling inflation and lower rates equals stronger long-term income plays. If you're holding names like Johnson & Johnson or 3M, today's move is good news. Don't ignore these risks. But don't let green candles blind you. The market is still sensitive. One unexpected Fed comment, a rate hike overseas, or rising bond yields can reverse gains fast. If you're day trading or short-term swing trading, watch the 10-year yield and Fed speakers today. One hawkish word and this rally could cool off hard. For long-term investors, stick to your dollar-cost averaging plan, but keep cash ready. Volatility isn't over yet. Dow Futures are sending a signal right now, one of optimism, but don't let emotion trade your money. Know the drivers, watch the moves, and always invest with intention. Hit subscribe if you want more real-time, no-fluff breakdowns like this. This is Money Move IQ YouTube channel, where we move smart. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.